Now log into your Facebook account and click on the menu bar. Scroll down and click on settings. Click on password and security. So click on change password. So now input your current password, your new password, and retype your new password. So let's go. So this is it. This is my current password and this is my new password. This is also my new password, just to confirm it. So click on save change. So this is it. Select this to log out of all device you have logged in, and also select this if you want to stay logged in. So let's choose this. So this is how to change Facebook password. So this is the email that I've just changed my Facebook account password.